Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to export in Trello. So this is actually pretty simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First, go right here to these three dots and then click on Print, Export and Share. Now you should see your link, so if you want to you can export your link just by clicking on it and copying it. You can also print it. You can export as CSV, export as JSON. So click on whichever you like. You can also show a QR code. So I will click on export as CSV and it will successfully export. So just choose where and the name and click save. Now as you can see, it is successfully exported. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.